And this is Dr. Clare again from Dr. Clare's Apothecary in Galway, your medical GP and herbalist. And I don't think I've done a little video on parsley. And parsley is something that Irish people put a sprig of on top of sandwiches and leave on the side of the plate, or adorn a salad but don't really put any substantial amounts in. And parsley is one of the most nutritious above ground vegetables that we eat raw. Has high in volatile oils and minerals, and also has a diuretic effect, which is very good for preventing and treating early arthritis. So eat the sprig if that's all you're given, but use a generous amount chopped up in all your salads. It gives a nice bite to a salad as well. The other thing to do with the parsley is to use it instead of basil for making pesto, which is a great way of preserving it if you have a lot of it in the garden coming up at the same time. So a great way of preserving the parsley, and you can make the pesto with other seeds apart from pine nuts, which are very expensive. So you can be creative with making your pestos and check out lots of YouTube recipes. So I hope that's helpful. So lots of parsley, guys.